to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tatiana, and today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day to lose weight. So as you guys know, or if you don't, I'm on like a fitness journey. Not really, like I'm just kind of getting back into shape and trying to lose those way too many pounds that I gained the past 2 years since I stopped competitive swimming. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day. I just finished an hour workout at Orange Theory. I'm also doing a weekend in my life if you like think this is not the same. I can't eat in the morning before I work out. I feel nauseous either way, so I prefer not to. So I've just been drinking like a ton of water. But now I'm gonna make an omelet. You guys have probably seen this in all my other like vlogs when I make breakfast, but I just love making omelets when I can, because I usually just take hard-boiled ones or don't have time to eat eggs because I work and I'm trying to maximize my sleep. But yeah, so today's a Saturday and it is currently 8 a.m. We already got the workout in. But yeah, so let's make some eggs. Alright, so I'm just gonna see you guys up. To make my eggs omelets, I put 2 eggs in it and just some cheese, aka a lot of cheese, because I don't really eat cheese any other time. I have like feta cheese in my salads for lunch, but I don't like really have like cheese all the time, so I love cheese though. So we're just gonna put 2 eggs with some cheese, and I just sprayed the pan with some olive oil. It's pretty simple, and then I just have ketchup and sriracha sauce on the side, and I'm making iced coffee, so let's do this. Alright you guys, I just wanted to show you guys, so I use almond milk in my iced coffees, or like any coffee. I was vegan a while ago, just like for like half a year, just obviously like it's nice to like save the animals and everything, and I just want to try it out. I'm just like one of those curious people, but I got used to drinking almond milk, and I just honestly prefer it because I don't like anything being too like creamy or anything. So I drink milk and cream like when I need to, like if like say Tim Hortons they don't have like an option for like soy milk or almond milk, so then I do use it, but I try to do almond milk as much as possible. I like it better, and it's less calories. It's like 35 calories, and it's honestly not even about the calories for me, it's more about the taste. But I mean, that's definitely a bonus, and like the less dairy I think the better, because I just don't think my body can process it as well. Like I'm not lactose intolerant, but I just my body's gotten used to like not a lot of dairy, just lots of cheese. Alright you guys, breakfast is served. Got my coffee, obviously water, and then this, so let's eat. So I'm just about to make some lunch. If you guys saw from the clip that I just inserted, I also got an iced coffee from Tim Hortons, and my iced coffee that I get is I usually get like medium iced coffee with milk but no base because I don't like sweetener in it. So as I told you guys before, I do drink milk whenever I need to, and also, sorry, my makeup looks really bad. But now I'm going to make lunch, and I'm going to have some avocado toast, but on the Rivita whole grain snack bread. This like I don't know, like it's just like a healthier version, like 3 of them. It's like 60 calories, and there's a lot of like fibers and all that stuff in here, so it's like way better than like bread for you, just because bread just doesn't work well with me. I gain lots of weight from that. But yeah, so I'm having that with some avocado on it. I'll put some salt and tomatoes, and I'll show you guys then when it's done. guys, this is the finished one. I ended up using like 4 of these guys. I'll show you guys like a better view of it, what this is. It's that, if you're wondering. And then I just like had 4 of them that they broke up, and I put salt and pepper and some tomatoes. So let's eat this. Oh, also it is 1:44. So I guess like, yeah, this is my lunch, and then I'll have dinner later. But you guys, sorry I'm super lazy, but I'm vlogging on my phone right now because my vlog camera's all the way upstairs. But I have the 8+ now, so hopefully it's better lighting quality and stuff like that. But tonight for dinner we're having kind of like a Greek night, so I'll show you guys what we're having for my dinner. I'm currently just making some rice. Like, it's rice, don't worry. I'm making this natural select whatever Uncle Ben's, but like TBH, don't know how much I'll eat of this because rice is not that good for you, so maybe I'll just have a tiny bit since I'm going out tonight. And then we have a huge salad with just salad, onions, feta cheese, and Greek dressing. Lots of tzatziki sauce. I mean, like, this is more fattening, but I usually have like my biggest dinner just because that's, I know you're not supposed to do that, but I usually work out right before dinner, so like, I don't know, I get hungry, you feel? And then we're also having chicken, so I'll show you guys that when everything's ready.